When you wake up and find me gone tomorrow, don't think I meant to hurt you. I just did what we knew I had to do. And all those time we knew the time was never right for us. Time to leave this love behind. I could never leave you, baby, if I see you cry. I'll say goodbye for the two of us. Tonight, while you sleep, I'll kiss you softly one last time and say goodbye. Like an knowing must. There's just no other way, and I couldn't bear to see your heart break. So I'll wait till you're asleep, say goodbye. Realize how hard it is today, try to make it through this. Say goodbye just as gently, yes. I can. Please try and understand. This time just not the time for us. We knew I couldn't stay, but got to make it easier to leave you so that I can find the strength. I'll say goodbye for the two of us. Tonight, while you sleep, I'll kiss you softly one last time and say